Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you a Torque 371 fifth wheel. It's a toy hauler. It's a 2022. Now, right in the front here, here's your generator, and this is your battery box area as well. So that's the front storage spot. You got propanes here, and here's your pass-through storage. Okay. Coming up into here. Now this is one of the better layouts. So when you take a look at this, this makes a lot of sense. Most of the time, you're gonna have like two cushions. Come this way. Most of the time, you're gonna sacrifice two of these seats for them to be right here. None of this, and then your TV will be there instead. And so this is kind of an improvement from the standard layout that you usually see, being that they put the seats over there and then they put the TV here. That lets you have this. So this is the extra part here. Place to sit and eat. You can have seats right here facing that way too, play card games and stuff. You can all sit everybody right here and face the TV, and the kitchen is kind of separated. So this layout is definitely an improvement from what we've seen in the past, and not even just this brand, but many brands as well. So I love that. Now let's come up here and show you the bathroom. So this is a two-door entryway. You can get into there from your bedroom. You got a little tub right here, shower, and then you get the sink. You get all this storage. You got two drawers below, a cabinet below. But they made the toilet at an angle. So essentially you have all this room, and any body type at all can fit on this toilet. That's super nice. Now let's show you the bedroom. So this is showing with the bed up. The bed comes up because this slide has to come in. Okay? So when this slide comes out, then you can come right here and hit this button, and you can just lower the bed all the way down so you can lay on it. This is a king-size bed. This is a super different bedroom setup. It's interesting how the front is like that. I think that's just nice to see something refreshing and new. A place to put all your little things too. You could put your chargers there, whatever you want to put there. Sleep app machine could go on that ledge. This is what your room looks like with the bed down. Now let's head back to the garage space. Nice glass door, I like that. Now this is where you haul. So we got two beds up here, and this lower bed turns into a couch if you want. This step belongs to the party deck, so you can have steps to get up onto the ramp from outside. And then you got this nice, tough, durable floor. Okay, you got the diamond plate that comes and creeps up the walls. It's going to protect with some tire rubs if you ever get a little too close on accident. Okay, washer and dryer can go right there. Here's your half bath. So it's a place that you can use a restroom. Kind of nice because if all the slides are in and you just need to use the restroom real quick, you just come in this side door and then just use this restroom. The slides don't affect that. So that's nice. Now you may wonder, because of the fact that there's a bathroom, can I fit my side-by-side here all the way up? Or am I really looking at a garage space of here back? The answer is yes, because they gave you this mechanism where this swings out and you stab that pin right there so it doesn't move anymore. You stab this one in, and that scored you way more room. Now you're here. Now your side-by-side fits all the way up. You could even put a motorcycle on the side. You could put quads. You have enough room for your stuff. You also have a ladder that is on this side. Let me show you. So this comes out like that. The top of it never comes out of these holes, so you'll never lose your ladder, but it gives you that angle so it's easier to get up. It's a bed up there or storage for all your riding gear. However you want to use it, it's your rig. And all your controls live right here, right on this part here. So you got some lights, you got vents, fans, you got your beds that motorized go up and down. And that's it. So if you have any questions about this rig at all, feel free to give me a call, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535. Thank you.